dear students, welcome to ME Education. Here, read the question carefully. Which one of the following charge is not possible? Okay, how to decide a particular charge is possible or not? So, we are having a wonderful logic. You will be calculating number of electrons present in that particular charge. This much amount of coulomb of charge equivalent to number of electrons. Just now we have given the wonderful relation. So first we can check whether 12.8 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb charge is possible or not. First check option A. Option A. What is given? Here Q equals to option A. QA I can say 12.8 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Okay, whether this is possible or not. Check it once. QA equals to it is equivalent to number of electrons and charge on the electron. Here 12.8 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb, number of electrons into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Okay, this is charge on the electron. Now we can calculate number of electrons. 12.8 into 10 to the power of minus 19 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. 10 to the power of minus 19, 10 to the power of minus 19. These two will be cancelled out. Finally, 12.8 by 1.6. Here I can write it as 128 by 16. So how much you will be getting? Tell me. Here, just cancel out. Here, 4 ja, almost 8 you will be getting. 4 3 ja. So 4 1 ja, 4 8 ja. If you don't know 16th table, fine. Number of electrons equals to, tell me. Number of electrons equals to 8. Here 8 electrons. That means this much amount of coulomb of charge equivalent to 8 electrons. Okay. So 8 is an integer value. So possible value. That means this charge is possible. That means it is what? Integer. Integer you are getting. So this is possible charge. You got integer value of number of electrons. That is why this is possible charge. Possible charge. They are asking which one of the following charge is not possible, but option 1 is possible because you are getting integer value of number of electrons. Okay, so now we can check option B. Now we can check option B. Here QB is given. QB equals to 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulomb. We already know the relation. QB equals to number of electrons, charge on the electron. Here 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulomb equals to number of electrons. What is the charge on electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So how to determine number of electrons? NB equals to 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulomb by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb equals to here 6.4 by 1.6 into 1 by 10 power minus 1. 1 by 10 power minus 1. Here you will be getting 64 by 16 into 10. 10 power minus 1 will go to the top. 640 by 16. Okay, here this is equivalence to, just observe, 16 1 ja, 16 4 ja, 40 electrons. 40 electrons. That means it is also integer value. So that means option B also possible. Okay, NB, possible charge. It's an integer value. Understood na? It's an integer value. Integer. That means this charge is possible. Charge is possible. I can say that possible charge. Possible charge. Now we can check option C. Same procedure we will be following to check whether this charge is possible or not. So QC is given. Just observe, QC equals to 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 20 coulomb. So we know that QC equals to number of electrons into charge on the electron. 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 20 coulomb. Number of electrons, charge on the electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Now tell me, number of electrons, NC equal, tell me, 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 20 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Here coulomb, coulomb. Now tell me, 3.2 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 1. So that means what? Here 16 or 2 ja, 2 by 10 you will be getting. So 0.2. 0.2 number of electrons. It is not possible. It is not an integer value. That means option C, 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 20 coulomb is not a possible charge, because NC equals to 0.2, you are getting 0.2 electrons. Generally 2 electrons, 5 electrons, that is possible. 0.2 electrons, not possible. That means this particular charge is not possible. Understood na? So this charge is not possible. Charge is not possible. Then what is the answer? They are asking which one of the following electric charge is not possible. Okay, we got the answer. Option C is correct. Now just have a look on the option 4 also. Check it once. QC or QD, I can say. QD is given 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 16 coulomb. Here QD equals to number of electrons, charge on the electron, 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 16 coulomb. Number of electrons, here charge on the electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So number of electrons, ND equals to 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 16 coulomb by 10 to the power of minus 16 coulomb by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Here you will be getting, tell me, 0.8 by 1.6. 10 power minus 16, 10 power minus 19 means 1 by 10 power minus 3 will be getting. Here 8 by 16. 8 by 16 into 1000. So here 500 electrons. 8 2 ja 2 500 ja 500 electrons. You will be getting 500 electrons. So it's an integer value. Okay. So 500 is possible number of electrons. It's an integer. That means this particular charge is possible. Now I can say possible electric charge. Possible charge. Clear na? So they are asking which one of the following is not possible charge. So here, so option C is not possible because you are getting number of electrons equivalents to 0.2. 0.2 number of electrons is not possible. That is why 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 20 coulomb of charge is not possible. Option C is correct. Hope you understood all the calculations.